and Rachel Swardstrom here. We're here in Huntington Beach at our newest listing at 17331 Almelo, and you are gonna love this house.
So come on in this fun Dutch door. You're gonna be surprised. So this recently renovated light and bright 1,840 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home sits on a 6,000 square foot lot with a pool, a spa, and a beautiful back porch. You're gonna love this.
And we're only about a mile from the beach, Huntington Beach. We're near Bolsa, Chica wetlands. You can go biking, you go for long walks, you can go swimming or surfing. You're gonna enjoy living here in Huntington Beach. If you'd like to see this home, just give us a call or text us. We'd love to show it to you in person.
Enjoy the tour.